Looking at the market activity we've seen so far, not strong volumes moving through the markets, specifically yesterday, only $16,000 traded. But take us back to the month of April and how we've seen trade so far for the month of May. What are we seeing? Which are the big stocks that are moving across the board?
Yeah, thank you for having me. Yeah, indeed, the theme has been low volumes the past few weeks, past few months. Yesterday, the index closed at 3,911, down 2.4 points from Monday's close. Like you said, the volume was quite low, just about 420,000, valued at 80 million kwacha. And the price movements, there were only actually just two. Lafarge, which was down 4 kwacha to 7,600, and Zambia National Commercial Bank, Zanako, which was down 1 kwacha to 159 kwacha. Look at the performance for this year, 2012. The index is down 4.4%. So, but even so, there are some stocks that have really done well. The top 3 performing stocks have been ZCCMIH, which has been up 25%, National Breweries, which has been up 11%, and Zambia Sugar PLC, which announced their results on Monday, which was up 10%. The laggards have been in the banking sector. Zambia National Commercial Bank has been down 11.6%. And Standard Chartered Bank has been down 13.4%. So the overall theme has been low volumes for the market, but we have had some good performers overall.
And as you say, also we have to keep in mind that it was one of the best performing markets last year. So coming off a high base, let's focus in on some of those stocks that you mentioned. Zambia Sugar coming out with their report. What are your thoughts on the highlights from those results? Because they're also throwing forward to 2012, 2013, looking at output increasing by some 7%, and that the market said is good enough for this year.
Yeah, they actually had good results when you think about it. I mean, according to their update, which they released on Monday for year-end, 31st March 2012, they said that that increased output more than 7% to 400,000 tons of sugar. Their revenue was up 20% year-on-year to 1.48 trillion kwacha. Earnings per share, 19 kwacha 80 compared to 4 kwacha 41. Last year. The reason they gave for the good performance was the good weather conditions. They said that actually the increased age of the sugarcane had actually helped filter through the good results. And also the fact that they had planted on a larger area. So there were good results overall, and we look forward to them having a good year. What they've done as well, they've declared a second interim dividend of 5 kwacha 40, bringing the total to about 9 kwacha 90 for the year. Compare that to 3 kwacha 55 for 2011. So generally, I think the shareholders should be happy with their performance.
Now, I was talking to my Kenyan broker earlier about the fact that KenolKobil is potentially going to be bought out by Puma Energy. Puma Energy listed in Zambia. It has a presence in 30 countries, but has been investing quite a lot in downstream players in sub-Saharan Africa. What are your thoughts on this deal? What does it mean for that stock price of Puma Energy, closing at around 1,176 kwacha yesterday?
Yeah, the deal was announced on the 7th, and what they've said is that they're going to buy a majority stake in KenolKobil. Obviously, we know that they are listed on the Kenyan Stock Exchange, so they'll do the due diligence and price computation, and then hopefully that deal will come through. If we look at the market share, Puma Energy currently, as of end of March 2012, they currently have 25% of the Zambian market, and KenolKobil have 9% of the Zambian market. So it would be a very good strategic fit for them. For the whole company, Puma Energy, I mean, they'll add about $2.5 million in sales if they get this stake. So overall, it's a good fit for them, and we'll look forward to them gaining a larger market share, about 1/3 of the Zambian market.